Hi guys, I'm Samusi. Welcome to this new Artificial Intelligence Radar. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are so biased because cost is everything today. Turns out robots aren't the best at hospitality. Your cat is a better machine learning specialist than you. The inherent biases in artificial intelligence and machine learning models are making a huge impact on society. Forbes contributor Kalev Leitaru argues that the lack of balanced training data and a homogeneous workforce with enough experience to recognize bias are contributing factors towards the bias epidemic in today's machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms. But the far bigger driving force is simply economics. Indeed, in today's commercialized artificial intelligence landscape, recounts Leitaru, cost is everything. So there is simply no economic benefit for companies to focus on tuning their models if it doesn't turn into profit, and to address bias that doesn't impact on their bottom line. Hence, for example, companies would rather accept a slightly less tuned model than pay to build a new training dataset that perfectly meets their needs. Ultimately, the fight against bias in artificial intelligence will come when companies begin to recognize the value of inclusiveness and embracing diversity in all its forms, and view their products not just through the lens of money, but rather their broader impact on society itself. Even more importantly, concludes Leitaru, change will only come when we ourselves see the value of inclusiveness in all its forms. You may be scared of losing your job to robots, but robots should be equally scared of losing their jobs to you. In fact, as South China Morning Post Julian Ryan reports, even robots fail. Japan's first robot hotel hires humans now to replace annoying robot staff. Japan's cutting-edge Enna hotel chain, or Strange Hotel, is known for being staffed largely by robots. Unfortunately for the machine, and luckily for us humans, the hotel decided to replace the robots that act as front desk staff, cleaners, porters, and in-room assistants with a more traditional human staff because, says Ryle, they break down frequently, are expensive to maintain, and annoy the guests. In particular, dinosaur and humanoid bots at the front desk were unable to respond to queries from guests. Robot luggage carriers were not able to reach all of the rooms in some hotels and broke down when they got wet. And the in-room voice assistant, Churi, struggled to understand accents. Furthermore, the Wall Street Journal reports that the robot confused a guest snoring with a command and kept asking him to repeat his request. So hotels are a place where robots are not needed, and humans still have their edge on them, at least for now. If you want to understand machine learning, your cat might help, but a game is way better. PC Gamer reports that Luden.io created a machine learning simulator called Wild to Learn that will teach you how machine learning works. Basically, it's a game in which you'll have to use machine learning to solve puzzles based on real-world problems like self-driving cars. But first, you'll have to build a cat-to-human interface because apparently your cat is better than you at machine learning. Meow. Okay guys, it's all for today. See you next time with Artificial Intelligence Radar. Bye.